Lucy and Lilly Boutique is marketed as a trendy women's fashion boutique with stylish collections, emotional branding, and small business personality. But the real question is it actually trustworthy or another shady online fashion store hiding behind boutique marketing? Now, to be fair, stores like this often do ship real products. The website presentation is usually designed to feel warm, stylish, and trustworthy. What it does well, the boutique branding feels personal. Like many modern fashion stores, Lucy and Lilly Boutique appears to lean heavily into the cozy family boutique aesthetic. The clothing style is appealing. The store focuses on trendy casual wear, feminine outfits, and social media-friendly fashion. With a concerned start, the branding resembles many dropshipping boutiques. This is the biggest red flag. Emotional storytelling, large discounts, and boutique-style branding are extremely common among dropshipping fashion stores. Independent reputation appears limited. There is not much strong third-party evidence showing Lucy and Lilly Boutique is a long-established, verified boutique brand. Product quality may not match expectations. A common complaint with similar online boutiques is that fabrics, stitching, and sizing feel much cheaper than the photos suggest. So, is Lucy and Lilly Boutique shady? Short answer, probably a real e-commerce store, but potentially another risky dropshipping style boutique. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.